Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Gemini retro photo only way. Start by choosing two complementary portraits and align them precisely, then set a soft blend mode and lower opacity for a unified foundation. Apply a warm film preset, add 15% grain and a gentle vignette, then tweak color curves to push magenta in highlights and teal in shadows. Finish with subtle sharpening and export at high quality for sharing. Choose an editing app that supports layers, blend modes, and masks for full control. Correct base exposure and white balance, then paste the secondary portrait and apply screen or soft light at 40–60% opacity to blend smoothly. Refine the mask with a soft brush to protect skin and preserve eye detail. Add a gentle vignette and grain at 3.5% to mimic film, then export a high-quality JPEG or PNG for archiving. Quick recommendation and a small favor. Please subscribe and like if you are finding this video helpful. It really supports the channel. If you want a fun financial read, consider the book Dollar Banknote: The Simple Path to Wealth, which can change how you think about money and budgeting. Check the description for the link and other deals, and enjoy that good reading while you edit your photos. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on color grading that evokes analog film and keep tones gentle and cinematic. Warm midtones slightly, lift shadows with a teal cast, and reduce highlight clipping for a softer look. Apply split toning with subtle magenta in highlights and a touch of blue in shadows, then refine contrast with curves. Choose 16:9 for widescreen or square for feeds, export PNG for backup and JPEG at 80% for quick sharing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.